Okay. This is Kitty's first bath. Oh, water.
Great. Good
Okay.
job.
Okay, Piggy.
Good job.
Okay. We're getting all clean.
Good job. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna get some soap. Okay, Figgy gets clean.
Oh, yeah, you're doing great.
He's
like
not
the rinsing
squealing
last
like his sister. Oh, baby.
Yeah, you have sharp little claws.
Mm-hmm.
Lola watching? Who's that? Lila? Lila. Sorry. not
Okay,
Lola. Oh, God,
second
that's
feetsy
embarrassing.
clean. And the last one.
Good job.
Okay.
I know you're very, very upset.
I know. It's almost over. We need to rinse you. Okay. We need
You're
to
quite
get
the
a little more
acrobat.
water.
Oh my god. Oh, his tiny little heart is racing.
Tiniest heart ever. Oh my God, I get a great angle right here.
I know, Figgy, it's not fun, but this is good for you. You stink. Not for long. Oh!
Oh my god,
Okay.
you're the smallest thing I've ever seen.
Ooh, what's going on?
His tiny heart is so fast.
So now I think we can put Lila down in the bed, and we can
Okay,
put
here, we'll
Figgy
do
in the towel.
I kind of want to get the video of him in the towel, so let's just set that down. Okay. This will be a little Blair Witch project, but all right, baby girl, come here. You're coming out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, just hold him. Here we go. Okay. All right,
I'm
sweetheart.
sorry.
What are you in the bed? Actually, no. I'm gonna wait till you step away. I don't want her to like get stepped on.
Okay.
Not that you stepped on her. But...
Give me the Figgy.
Oh my
God.
All right, let's put this on camera.
Okay. There we go.
Good job.
Now we have you all ready.
She's like worried
Is she shivering?
She is a little bit.
Oh, maybe we should get another towel.
Well, we could wrap her in that one too.
Do you have it in? Okay. I'm gonna put this down because I can't tell.
She is. Her little foot
Yeah,
is.
she's. I feel like she's shivering. Okay, I don't know if it's fear or coldness.
And this is little Figgy in his towel.
Okay.
Aww.
Yeah, don't worry.
Aww.
Okay. There we go.
You're looking all around. Looking all around. There's Miss Lila.
Hi, Lila. Say hello.
Oh,
Not a dirt kid.
good.